Tuesday night action, so we're gonna have another case break after Anthology and Artifact. So we're gonna start with 2245 Anthology.
What is it, Johnson? You have the wrong decoy? Be attentive, man.
No, that's not decoy problem. That's Anthology 1516, not 1617. So let's do this.
Look, Matt Murray is being good tonight.
No, he's not. Alright, so we're going to start with a jersey autograph for the New York Rangers. Danny Crystal.
I'm also.
Next, we have a sizable signature with a nice patch. St. Louis Blues. Ty Ratty with a sick 5-color patch. It's a heavy card, too. Next, we have a massive material patch. San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture. What do we have? Paired pieces patch. PPFB. Ron Francis and Tom Barrasel. Please make it both for Pittsburgh.
There's two branches.
Yeah.
Okay, Pittsburgh.
Both for the Pittsburgh Penguins. What play by Tiala? Next, we have another massive material. This time, number 15. 6 out of 15 short print for Calgary. Say it. Sean Monahan. That's another nice hit for Calgary. Well, that's the first hit of the break with. Harry Sean Monahan. It is insane. And we've got a Omen Native Land autograph for Chicago. Mark McNeil. Of course, Mark McNeil is everywhere. So that was box 1. Let's do our second box. So we're going to get back the good camera soon. It's getting fixed now. Don't know what happened with it.
What?
Maybe Francois used it, so that's why.
What?
For his late night shows. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to continue with a sizable signature for Ottawa. Matt Prempel. Another sizable signature. This thing. San Jose Sharks. Joe Pavelski. That is right for the San Jose Sharks. Oh, what do we have next? A full coverage. Detroit Red Wings. Peter Mrazek. Peter Mrazek. Detroit material for the Colorado Avalanche. Nathan MacKinnon. Nathan MacKinnon. I think I got something that I don't like. Massive material out of 199 for Washington, Alex Ovechkin. Just want to see if it's that. No! God damn it. Anthology autograph out of 299. A random between everybody.
Tessa Bonham.
Tessa Bonham. Why did you put that? Did you put that?
That?
Put that.
That?
Tessa Bonham. So, of course, it's going to be a random between everybody. Why? Could have put a Sean Monahan autograph instead. Nope. They decided they're going to put Tessa Bonham. Well, good news is Francois play with him.
Sean!
No, you play with Tessa Bonham.
Of course, I play with the girls.
Well, it's not a secret. Say it.
How Dave! What?
Alright, so let's do this. 1, 2. Oh, god damn it. 3, Forgot. So that's Columbus. I just forgot. Camera is not able to focus correctly. So I don't even know if you guys are seeing. Can you see that on the live feed? Yeah, because I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it myself. You clearly see Columbus on top. Tessa Bonhomme. Columbus. Hello?
Yes, it's loading. Give me a second.
Hello? Did you see that prank video at McDonald's?
Yeah, we see it.
And the girl says,
It's super clear.
hello! Alright, so that was Anthology. We'll be right back in 5 minutes with
Minus
Artifact.
Tyrone.